In this first video, I'd like to show you how to remove a headlight assembly from a 2012, 13, and 14 Kia Sorento. First step is going to be to pull the hood release. Pop your hood. Third step is going to be to remove these two 10mm bolts, these two, this one right here, and these three push pins. The tools needed: will be a 1/4-inch ratchet with a 10mm socket. I got a swivel socket with an electronic ratchet and a Phillips head screwdriver. So these are really easy. You unscrew them about halfway, which I've already done, and then you pull them out. There's 4 of those. A good spot to keep your stuff together is right here. You can't really go anywhere. I've already loosened these 10mm bolts with the electronic ratchet. And let me shine a little light down there. So the bolt that you're gonna be wanting to take off is right there, that 10mm bolt. I've already got it loose, and that's the last bolt into the back of the headlight. Then if you look right here, you got a little clip. This is their electrical connector. You push down right here where my thumb's at and pull straight back. And then to get this headlight, which it is loose right now, and you've got the grill loose as well, but you can't take all this stuff off without pulling the entire bumper cover and the grill and all that. But the easy and quick way to do it, I'll try and hold the camera and show you the best that I can, is pull this grill about halfway out like that. I'll try and hold the camera right here. And then you lift up. I'll back up a little bit. You lift up a little bit and get the headlight popped out like this. And you can also push in behind the headlight back here. There's the headlight assembly without pulling the bumper, just by pulling 4 push pins, the 2 bolts for the grill, and the 3 bolts total that holds the headlight, and then 1 connector. So a common issue on these is the headlight socket burns out. So in the next video, I'll show you how to repair the headlight sockets in behind these covers.